Hello everyone, let us discuss another topic called debate and discussion from the paper Methodology of Teaching Science. Let us see what is a debate. Debate is a process that involves formal discussion on a particular topic. In a debate, opposing arguments are put forward to argue for opposing viewpoints. Then there are different types of debates like a policy debate, Lincoln-Douglas debate, which involves having a basic time schedule wherein each participant is given some time to prepare and then present his or her views. Then public forum. Now, what is a discussion? Now, the word discuss has been derived from the Latin word discutere, which means to shake or strike. Thus, discussion refers to thoroughly shaking up the subject, that is, examining it thoroughly to reach a conclusion. Group discussion means the exchange of ideas, thoughts, and feelings that take place through oral communication. This exchange takes place in a systematic and a structured way, and the participants sit facing each other almost in a semicircle and express their views on a given topic, issue, or a problem. So this is how discussion and debate are introduced. There are different types of discussion. The first one is developmental discussion. Here, first students collectively identify a problem. Next, they suggest hypotheses concerning the problem, then evaluate alternative interpretations of the data and assess the ability of the data to address the problem they identified at the beginning of the class. So it is in a basically progressive manner, developmental manner. The second type of a discussion is discussion clusters. Here, members of the class are divided into smaller groups of 4 to 6 people, and the clusters are given 1 or 2 questions on a subject. And one member of the cluster or that group is chosen to record and report the group's ideas to the entire class. Third one is a panel discussion where selected group of students act as a panel and the remaining class members act as the audience. The panel informally discusses selected questions and a panel leader is chosen and he or she summarizes the panel discussion and opens discussion to the audience. Now, how does group discussion differ from a debate? So, debate is a bit of competitive in nature, whereas discussion is cooperative group process. In a debate, a speaker can speak either for the topic or against the topic, but in group discussion, the speaker can express both. Here, the final decision or result in a debate depends on voting, whereas in a group discussion, the group reaches group consensus. Now, what are the features of a good debate? Convenience. Students feel comfortable engaging in the debate. Non-combative. It is a pleasant and a pleasurable tone to the discussion with no hostility. Diverse. An assortment of opinions and point of views get verbalized. Unity and focus. Discussions should have a pedagogical goal. Now, what are the features of a bad debate? Limited participants because only few students can participate. Restricted viewpoints and students echo instructors' thoughts that limit diversity of opinions. Lack of focus because debates go off topic and miss the academic aim. Now, features of discussion we can focus on. Interface. Here, members of the group see, hear, and communicate with each other orally by paying attention to leaders and members. Here, the leader has to summarize facts and information, integrate them, stimulate thinking, and agree to a unanimous solution of the problem. The members of the group become actively related to each other in their respective roles. Participation. Effectiveness and efficiency of a discussion depends to a large extent on the active participation of all the members. Interpersonal attraction. As long as interaction continues, the likes, dislikes, behavior, and temperament of members are known to each other. Among them, empathy develops, and such as they share each other's problems. Pressure to conform. There is always an element of pressure to conform to norms and the predefined and well-established standards are always enforced and followed in a discussion. Conflict. It can stimulate the members to find new solutions to the problem. Now, what are the examples of a debate topics? For example, even if artificial intelligence transcends human ability, should it be used in reality? Another topic would be, is right brain better than left brain, or is it left brain better than right brain? Yes, left, no, right. All scientific discoveries should be shared among scientists all around the world. Governments and businesses should not keep any discoveries secret. Should we tap into the power of Yellowstone supervolcano as a source of geothermal energy? Are animals better than robots? Factory farming does more harm than good. Genetically modified foods cause more good than harm. Human cloning should be permitted in the United States. Whether stem cell research should be expanded. Is drinking milk healthy for humans? So these were some of the topics for debate that we can think of. Now let us have a look at advantages of debate. It encourages all students to be engaged in exploring the issue being discussed. It increases learners' confidence, poise, and self-esteem. It provides an engaging, active, learner-centered activity. It improves rigorous, higher-order, and critical thinking skills. It enhances the ability to structure and organize thoughts. It improves learners' ability to form balanced, informed arguments and to use reasoning and evidence and not just say things without it. It encourages teamwork. Now let us have a look at some of the advantages of discussion, which includes providing deeper understanding of the subject. It improves the ability to think critically. It provides different approaches to solving a problem. It helps the group in taking a discussion. It gives an opportunity to hear the opinions of other persons. It enables a participant to put across his or her viewpoint in a discussion. It enhances confidence in speaking. It provides feedback to the teacher as well. In addition to this, it also encourages the students to formulate hypotheses or to give evidence while they are discussing. And the discussion leads to an extension of an understanding of information and gives students opportunities to practice their cognitive skills. It is applicable to summarize class activities, for example, laboratory works. Now let us have a look at disadvantages of a debate. Students may not be familiar with the sequence of the debate. Debates are time consuming. For example, time for research and preparation, time for presentation of each group, etc. is needed. And students who do not like public speaking would be less motivated in participating. Debates can be hurtful sometimes. Depends on how it is being conducted. Now let us have a look at the disadvantages of discussion. With the class size, less effective with a class greater than 20 students because that much of time we usually do not have during a lecture. Only few dominate because the class discussion environment allows only few students to dominate the class or conversation, which could be easily avoided if the teacher is careful. Time consuming. The nature of the class discussion makes the process very time consuming, and the process of exploring a subject while keeping students on their task in the discussion requires far more time than classic lecture style instruction, which sometimes is a bit difficult. Off-track discussion sometimes might go off-track while it is possible to redirect an errant conversation back on track. A valuable class time is lost and students' focus on the subject matter is lost in a discussion if it is not conducted in a proper manner. Groupthink is considered the primary disadvantage of discussion groups because it's not the individuals who are thinking, but they think as a group, so there is a possibility that some students may not even contribute their thoughts, and discussion are a disadvantage to students who are non-auditory learners because they don't get any benefit from it. So these are some of the references used for this presentation. Thank you. So if you have any queries related to this topic called debates and discussions, please feel free to type it in the chat box. Thank you.